In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Dropbox file. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your documents effectively. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you like. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Dropbox. This action is essential as it directs you to the official Dropbox website where you'll perform all your file management tasks. When you search, you will see a list of results related to Dropbox. This is your first step in accessing your Dropbox account. Next up, click on the link that leads you to the official Dropbox website. It's usually the first or second link in the search results. Make sure it is the correct link to avoid phishing websites. You will know you are on the right page if you see the familiar Dropbox logo and interface. This step is crucial because it ensures you are accessing the legitimate site, keeping your account secure. Now it's time to log into your Dropbox account. Find the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure to enter your credentials accurately. If you have forgotten your password, there is a link to help you recover it. Logging in is vital as it gives you access to your files and folders, allowing you to create new content. Once you are logged in, navigate to the folder where you want your new file to be stored. You can see your folders on the left sidebar of the Dropbox interface. Click on the appropriate folder to open it. This organization is important as it helps you keep your files sorted and easy to find later. Once you have accessed the right folder, you are ready to create your new file. With the folder open, look for the blue Create button in the upper left corner of your dashboard. Click on this button to initiate the file creation process. The button is visually distinct and easy to locate. This action is essential because it opens the options for different types of files you can create, setting the stage for your next steps. Now, hover over your preferred file category to see a drop-down of specific types. You will find options for documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. For documents, you can choose between Dropbox Paper, Microsoft Word, or Google Docs. If you are creating a presentation, you can select Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. For spreadsheets, the choices include Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This variety allows you to pick the right tool for your needs, making your workflow more efficient. After selecting your desired file type, a blank editor will launch in a new tab. Here, you can name your file and begin typing your content. You'll notice that everything saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. This feature is incredibly helpful because it allows you to focus on creating without the constant pressure of saving your progress manually. Creating a file in Dropbox is a straightforward process that empowers you to manage your documents seamlessly. You have learned how to search for Dropbox, log in, navigate folders, and create various types of files. Each step is designed to ensure you can effectively manage your files and collaborate with others easily. Now you are ready to start creating in Dropbox.